Upgrade your system with a new SSD. Follow these steps on how to install a new solid-state drive for your Dell laptop. Check the system service manual, which you can access online. Go to dell.com/support and identify your system using its service tag, or click on this PC if your system is shown. Click on Documentation and then on Manuals and Documents. Locate the system's service manual and click on either View Page or View PDF. Within the service manual, look under the Table of Contents. Expand Removing and Installing Components, then Disassembly and Reassembly. Scroll down to find the solid-state drive section, or depending on your system, it may be the hard drive section. Carefully read the instructions for removing and for installing the solid-state drive or the hard drive. Here is where you will find all the details for each process, including the tools needed and the precautionary measures to take to avoid electrostatic discharge. Before attempting any internal hardware replacements on your system, you should back up all your important files. For information on this, check out our support video on this channel. With tools in hand, turn off the system, disconnect any power sources, and remove any external peripherals as well as any media storage devices. And adhering to the manual's electrostatic precautions, use the screwdriver to remove all the screws and then detach the bottom base panel. Disconnect the battery cable from the system board. Now locate and remove the solid-state drive. Unscrew any brackets holding the SSD in place, referencing the Dell service manual for any specifics. Once everything is disconnected, take the SSD out of the system. Now, to install the new SSD, securely fasten it into place with the same screws and brackets. Be careful not to over-tighten. Reconnect the battery cable and put the bottom base panel back on. With the system reassembled, reconnect the charger. Turn on the PC. When the Dell logo first appears on screen, start tapping the F2 key until you enter the system BIOS or the UEFI. Once in the BIOS, on the BIOS Setup page, navigate to Storage, and within the Drive Information section, verify that your new SSD is being recognized. The type and device specifications should match what you've installed. If it's there, exit BIOS and restart the system. If you don't see it, then redo the installation process and double-check your steps. Sometimes after installing a new SSD, you may be required to reinstall Windows. For help with this, watch our support tutorial on this channel. If you have any questions or still need help, contact us through social media for assistance. We also have the Dell Community Forum where you can see what others have to say about the subject. Become a subscriber today to get access to all of our support tutorials and be notified when we post future content. Thanks for watching.